To assemble the device, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Carefully open the box with a sharp knife and remove the instruction manual. Remove the wide path nozzle and tough stain nozzle. Remove the extension wand. Remove the cardboard box containing further accessories and attachments. Lift the carpet cleaner from the box. Unpack the accessories and attachments from the box, including the suction hose, handle, cleaning solution, screw packet, and nozzle cleaning tool.